In this video, I'll show you how to set invisible username on Discord. To get started, go ahead and open Discord into your account. Now head over into the Me section. Click on that edit profile button which you'll find below your name to be able to edit your name or display name on Discord. Now what you'll need to do is to delete this display name and then go ahead and head over into your browser. Simply delete this display name and head over into your browser. Copy this empty character to your clipboard. So go ahead and search for empty character on Google. Now copy the empty character to your clipboard and head back into your Discord account. Now go ahead and paste the empty character that you have on your clipboard into the display name section of your account. That's basically how you can set invisible username on Discord. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.